Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews, and it's Techmas, where we talk tech in the month of Christmas. And today I have with me here the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I know a lot of people have been asking me, we've seen you talking about this iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max on Instagram and stuff. When are you unboxing it? Like, when are you reviewing it? Well, today we are going to do the comparison for these two so that you can make an informed decision as to which one to buy. But hold on. Hello? Yeah, Charlie, I did shoot some video. Yeah, I'm actually shooting a video. Are you serious? It's in, like, it come. You drop. Oh, Charlie, no be joke. It's not time for joke. Yeah. Charlie, I'm coming for it right now, Charlie. Serious. Yeah, I did come right now. I'll continue the video later. Alright, Charlie, sharp. Sorry guys, I had I don't know what to call it, like an exciting news. Okay, something I've been waiting for the entire year has dropped, and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so I'll be back. We'll continue this video. Okay.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Alright guys, so I brought it. This is what I've been waiting for the entire year. I don't know if you can guess what it is, but this is going to be my favorite thing of 2019. And I know 2019 is almost ended, but I've been waiting for this thing for a long time. So let's not waste much time. Let's go straight into unboxing it and see what it contains. Alright, so here we are with our surprise package, and I'm trying to get these pearls wrappers out of the way. And oh my god, it's a drone. Like, I'm so emotional right now. It's a drone. It's something I've always wanted. A drone. Like, I can't wait to fly this thing. I just hope it doesn't fly away and leave me behind. But see, it's a drone. Hey, how are you moving about like that? It's a drone. Wow, it's a drone, guys. I don't know how to operate this thing yet. Anyway, let's put that drone aside and let's see what else comes in the box. So we put that drone aside, and I'm guessing that this is the controller. Ooh, it even has styrofoam around the joystick. Some shiny joystick. Okay, so I think this is the right way to hold it up. And then, guys, I'm new to this thing, so forgive me for... Okay, so I think this is where I put my phone. I don't know if it's it's extensible, so I'm going to put my phone there. Yes! Oh, come on, man. Okay, so we have the phone in there, and the blade. So the manual says that this is an OT Pro F11 folding drone. And because I'm new to drones, I usually don't read manuals, but I guess I'm going to have to take my time, my sweet time, and go through the manual. And it's a lot of information, damn. So there's a sticker here. So I'm guessing, so it's an SJRC drone. And then another person bought it and put his label on it. Pretty smart, yeah? Interesting. All right, so that's for this. And then what else comes in the package? What is this? Blades. Assemble the propeller. Please note the letter A or B is printed on each propeller, and make sure all the propellers are attached in the correct motor. So I guess these are like extra blades for the drone. Forgive me, but I'm completely new to the world of drones. So yikes! Some tiny screws. I don't like screws at all because they get missing easily. So let me pack these things. I can't wait to fly this drone, people. I'm telling you, I can't just wait to fly this thing. I wanted to buy a gift for myself on Black Friday, and I was torn between buying like some of these modern phones, like the OnePlus 7T, or buying a phone I really wanted this year. That was the Redmi K20 Pro. That phone is as sexy as I am. But then I said, I have a lot of phones, so why don't I try something completely new? So then I got this drone. So this is the charging cable, USB. It's not USB Type-C, the old type of USB charger for the drone. So I can't wait to take this out, and then let's see how it flies. I don't know how to even unassemble this. I hope I don't break it. Eek. Yes! One leg stretched out. So I guess this moves in the opposite direction. Like, yes! 2 legs out. So, 2 legs out now. Yeah. Yes! 3 legs out. Whew, final leg. Yikes, I feel like I broke something right now. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Okay, so we have 4 legs out, and this is our drone. It says SJRC quadcopter, and I read a lot of reviews on this thing before getting it. And it has a camera. I don't know if you can see the camera. Yeah, so that's the camera. It's supposed to be a 4K camera, but I need to test all these things and find out. So let me know in the comments what you would like me to do with this drone, how you like me to test it, what you want to know about it. This one is going to be a journey for the two of us, because this is not something I'm used to like phones. This is completely new to me. So let me know in the comments what you want to see in my review when I test this, and I'll do as many videos as possible on this drone. I hope with this drone I'll be able to, like, you know, fly away from Ghana and then travel around the world this Christmas season. I'll just hold on to the drone and I'll fly away, you know. Yeah. And fun fact, in Ghana, drones were used or are still being used to deliver medicines in the hospital. And that's very, very cool. So this is the SJRC F11 folding drone. I'm going to take it outside and then see how it performs, and then we'll end this video. We'll do a follow-up review. All right. Okay, so this is the manual. Let's see some quick instructions. Important: this product is not a toy. It is a precision device integrating so many things. Safety precautions: keep it far away from any structures or crowds. Keep it away from any moist environment. That's like, don't put it in the fridge, don't go swimming with it. Obviously, only operate with included parts for intended use. Avoid controlling it independently. Now this is going to be a bit tough since I shoot my videos and everything alone. Do not operate under the influence of drugs or alcohol. This should be very easy because I'm never under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Please keep a safe range from aircraft when using top speed. Charger is not a toy. 28 warnings. Wow, this is crazy. Wow, this is a lot of instruction, eh? I feel intimidated already. I feel like I need a license to be able to pilot this thing. Crazy. All right, so let's put it down. Let's get hands on. Let's go to the field and let's learn how to pilot this thing. Wow, that was a very scary experience. Like, the drone flew away completely, and Charlie, we were so scared we had to like leave and then go outside the house to catch it. But it was also a very fun experience. So let me know in the comments what you would like us to do with this drone and what you like to see or what you want us to talk about in this drone. Like, I'm so excited, I'm panting, I'm out of breath, and yeah, thanks, bro.